Well, guys, thank you so much for tuning into the channel today. So today we got such an all-star job, you guys. This job comes directly from Meta, you guys. This job starts off over six figures. It starts off at $113,000 and it goes to $162,000, you guys. Oh, I'm sorry, $167,000. Plus there is a bonus, there is stock, and you get full benefits, you guys. This is one of those recession-proof jobs, and I want you guys to get this job because this job is so good, you guys, okay? But I'm always going to tell you, put your best foot forward, okay? You are going to need a professional resume for this job, you guys. Go get that virtual resume rewrite session. In the virtual resume rewrite session, it has all of your skills, your experience, everything is pre-written for you guys. This is such an easy resume kit. Do not make this harder than it is. Literally, go get that virtual resume rewrite session. In the virtual resume rewrite session, you are going to have pre-written summaries, pre-written skills, pre-written experiences. All you have to do is cut, copy, and paste, you guys. It's a cut, copy, and paste kit. I even show you how to find these jobs yourself, you guys. Go get the virtual resume rewrite session, and when I tell you the rewrite session it has so many transferable skills, you guys. So many transferable skills. All you have to do is look under the six-figure key phrases, and it is going to give you all of my pre-written experience. This is what you're going to tell them you have already done, because what we want we want the higher end of the salary. In order to have the higher end of the salary, you are going to need the experience, and I have already pre-written your experience. Everything that you need to tell them is on that virtual resume rewrite session. So go get it. Do not make it hard on yourself. Go get that rewrite session, and let's get to work. Okay, so we have the shout outs of the day. These people didn't they did not let me know. You guys, when you got the job, please let me know what you did before, because it is so wonderful to see your progress and see what you were doing before and how the virtual resume rewrite session helped you to transfer your skills into another industry. It is so exciting to me, you guys. So we have Miss Aaliyah, you guys. Miss Aaliyah is a project manager at a Fortune 500 company. She makes $177,000, you guys. I don't know what she used to do, but I don't know. $177,000, girl. I'm so proud of you. Please email me, and on the next shout out of the day, I am going to make sure I let them know what you did before, okay? Then we got Mr. Jamal. Jamal makes $164,000 as a program manager. And then we got Alejandro, y'all. Alejandro makes $153 using the virtual resume rewrite session. All of them rewrote their skills and their experience, you guys. Mr. Alejandro is now a project manager. Okay, you guys, go get that virtual resume rewrite session. Rewrite all of your skills and experience, because you guys are already doing this at your previous jobs. The virtual resume rewrite session is basically a resume kit, okay? A copy and paste resume kit that is going to help you market yourself, market your skills better, you guys. You do not have to think about what you're going to tell them, because Sam has already told you what you're going to tell them. All you're going to do is rewrite that resume. Make your resume more professional. Make your resume stand out, and that is what the virtual resume rewrite session does, because it has all of your phrases, your keywords, your titles, everything that you need. Even your professional summary is already written for you. So y'all, go rewrite that resume so that you can land this job, okay? So the inspiration of the day is, won't he do it, okay? The inspiration of the day is, won't he do it? Won't he show up for you? Won't he help you through your trials, you guys? I know a lot of us are facing trials like not having a job, needing a job, but guess what? God knows what you are going through and he will help you. Won't he do it? Okay. So that is the inspiration of the day. And that is what I want you to type into the comment section is won't he do it? Won't he do it? Okay, you guys? So let's get right to this job right now because when I tell you this job is so super simple, super easy, it is. Go rewrite that resume, okay, you guys? Go pick up my virtual resume rewrite session. I know that I couldn't rewrite everybody's resume. I know I can't. So that is why I created the virtual resume rewrite session for you. And all you have to do is copy and paste from the keywords, from the phrases, from the titles, from everything that I give you, and y'all remarket yourself. Remarket yourself and land this job. So let's get right into this job right now, you guys. Let's go. Okay. Okay, so they are looking for an HR business partner from the monetization team, okay? So you will be helping them with their monetization department, okay? So let's read the job description. It says Meta is searching for a HR business partner to support our monetization organization. The ideal candidate will contribute to at both hands-on and strategic levels to cultivate an amazing and innovative culture. The ideal candidate will bring creative and effective ideas and solutions to a growing organization, you guys. So basically, they're looking for a business partner. You guys can do this, okay? This is not one of those where you have to do all the techie work. This is more of a people person type of job, okay? So if you are a people person, if you have experience in customer care, customer service, baby, get this job. If you have experience being a project manager, program manager, this is the job for you because this is basically a project management job, you guys. That's simple and simple what it is. You guys, go rewrite your resumes, okay? Because your resume is going to let them know that you are the right person for the job. You are not going to get this job using bland and old resumes. You have to go get the virtual resume rewrite session because in the virtual resume rewrite session, all of your skills that a manager would do, everything that a program manager would do is listed by skills. Pick up the experience, look at the paragraph, pick the experience, cut, copy, and paste. No think, no work, you guys. No think, no work resume rewrite session, okay? So let's get to the rest of this job. Let's go. All right, you guys, let's get to the responsibilities. It says provide HR programmatic support, thought partnership, and coaching to all levels of the organization. You guys, you are going to be coaching the team. This is a project management job, okay? Through and through. Manage and facilitate organizational design and development, leadership coaching, and team building that supports change and growth. Execute on talent management strategies to support a team's growth and individual developmental plans. You guys, they are looking for a leader, okay? They are looking for leadership skills. In the virtual resume rewrite session, it has your leadership skills already planned out for you guys. All you have to do is literally cut, copy, and paste the leadership skills, okay? Because the virtual resume rewrite session is a leadership resume. All right, without any work, okay? So I did all of your work for you, okay? It says execute on talent management strategies to support a team growth and individual development plans, proactively assess team and manager development needs, provide rigorous data analytics and reporting solutions, integrate and partner with HR colleagues in recruiting, learning and development, compensation, legal, and HR program teams. Partner closely with regional HR partners on global strategies and execution. Manage and facilitate the overall performance, summary cycle, and employment engagement. Work closely with our employee qualifications. So the minimum qualification is 6+ years experience in the HR business partner or equivalent role. Demonstrates solid judgment and experience assessing risk. Demonstrates project management and change management experience. Effective communication and problem solving skills. Demonstrates empathy and experience driving inclusion work. Demonstrate experience learning and thriving in a consistently changing environment. Experience using data to identify insights that drive actions. Experience helping global and or metric organization scales. Experience supporting technical team, you guys. So once again, this is a HR slash project management position, okay? If you ever had a role in any type of HR, customer service, or project management, this is the role for you guys. But you need to show that. You need to have your resume is so important. You need to have a professional resume, you guys. You have to have a professional resume. Go get the virtual resume rewrite session, because when I tell you guys, I made that kit just for you, because I want you to come into these positions, okay? I want you to have a professional resume. Inside the, and that's why I wrote everything. Literally, I wrote all of your skills. I wrote all of your experience. I wrote everything that you need to tell them. I have already pre-written it for you guys, okay? Do not make this hard. Go get the virtual resume rewrite session, because when I tell you, I'm telling you guys what to say. I'm giving you the cheat code that's going to make it easier for you guys, okay? So let's get into the pay, how much this job pays, because it's amazing. Let's go. All right, you guys. So let's get into your salary. The salary for this position is 100. It starts off at $113,000. You guys. It goes all the way up to $167,000. Okay, that is how super good this job is. You guys, go get that virtual resume rewrite session, okay? So the rewrite session, I did all of your skills, all of your experience. It is a no work, no think rewrite session, you guys. I want y'all to get this job, because this job, when I tell you, this job is so good. This job is too good, you guys. Too good to let go, okay? So y'all go get the virtual resume rewrite session. Get to work today, okay? Because literally one day could change your entire life. Let this be the day. Go get the virtual resume rewrite session, and it is paying for you guys. You guys have such an amazing, wonderful, amazing day, you guys, okay? And I will see you guys on the next video tomorrow. We are going to get this, you guys. We are going to get this, all right? So you guys have such a blessed, amazing, wonderful day. See you guys on the next video. Bye.